Hello children, here is the third part of the chapter 7. This is the video of mine of class 10 children. This is the third part of the video. Here only a small introduction just I will give for, and also a small video I will make for what topic. Topic will be pipelines children. So here I will make a small video for that, right? And it is only for the easier things only. Acha children, if you think if I will tell you pipelines, so first thing whatever it will come to your mind, I think it will come to your mind that water supplies are coming through the pipelines. Okay children, I think generally you have seen that water supply pipelines are coming to each and every houses, each and every cities, and which as provide now in Keonjhar also different places pipeline works are going on of water services, and for that purpose only people are also use that, also habituated for this water supply definitely. So first thing that is only coming to our mind. Second thing it is coming that I will tell you that pipelines is not only for water transport, it is also traveling water, it is also transporting the crude oil. Crude oil means the raw oil. Whenever we are collecting through the drilling process the petroleum, that is so many impurities are there within it. This is called crude oil or raw oil. Okay, petroleum products and natural gases from one oil and natural gas fields to refineries. Achha children, here it will be very much difficult task, because how to travel, otherwise how to travel them, gas how to travel, or this petroleum how to travel through these pipelines only. That is why now these days it's very much important for us. Okay, so in the natural gas fields to the refineries, fertilizer factories to big thermal power plants. Here also it can be uses definitely. What are the uses? First thing is that transporting the crude oil, first point. Second will be petroleum products and natural gases from oil and natural gas fields to the refineries. Third will be for the fertilizer factories and big thermal power plants. That is third point. Solids can also be transported through pipeline when converted to slurry. Slurry means in the different parts. Okay children. Achha, the far inland locations of refineries. Achha, first I will tell you about the different type of refineries are there. Wherever the oil refineries are there, first of all, first thing which is coming in our mind, that is of Barauni, Mathura. Okay, Panipat gas based fertilizer plant could be thought of only because of pipelines. Okay, these are the points of wherever the oil refineries are settled down, and so many places of India also it has been going on. Initial cost. Achha children, now I will tell you something, that initial cost for making the pipelines, the making the project, the different type of machines are needed, so many laborers are needed, so many factors are controlling it, and so many factors are involved. So that's why initial cost of these making pipelines projects are very much expensive. But later on part, whenever the cost of the transportation of this type of material from one place to another place through pipelines, it will be very much minimal. Minimal means very less. It rules out transshipment losses or delays. Another thing, another advantage it is having, what it is having, so transshipment means one country to another country, ships are going, waterways through it is going, it's taking very longer time, but it is saving the time as well as it is saving the means very low cost it can be transported. Okay, and through it is not having it is not doing any type of delays. Acha, there are some networks, important networks of pipeline transportation in the country. First, what is that? From oil field to the upper Assam and Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh via Guwahati, Barauni and Allahabad. It has branches of Barauni to Haldia via Rajma to Murigram and Guwahati to Shiliguri. These are the things. Whatever it has been transported, it is transporting the petroleum. Only children. Let me clear it. Right. Next, from Salaya in Gujarat to Jalandhar in Punjab via Varamgam, Mathura, Delhi and Sonipat. It has branched to connect Koyali in Vadodara, Gujarat and Chakshu and other places. So this is also a type of pipeline. This is also connectivity. This is also very famous networks, children. Okay, and third will be gas pipelines. Now these days, children, you can able to see in the that in the mega cities mostly this type of pipelines they are trying to give the home service gases. That LPG gases also it is coming, right? So gas pipelines from Hazira in Gujarat connects the Jagdishpur, Uttar Pradesh via Vijaypur, Madhya Pradesh. It has branches to Kota, Rajasthan, Shahjahanpur, Barbala and other places of Uttar Pradesh. So these places has been connected by this type of gas pipelines, children. Thank you so much, children. Only this much only, because for small video I just wanted to make this. And for detailed information you are getting the 3 types of pipelines, that you learn it, what are the advantages, that only to be learned in this video. Hope so you are well, staying at home. Please stay at home, maintain social distancing. That is the only way we are just doing to escape from corona, right? Thank you so much, children. Bye.